What's cracking? What's cracking? What's cracking? It's your boy King Crown P71. Bought a soldering kit, so I said, you know what, I need something to solder, so I decided to solder the wires to the speakers. So since I have everything off, it's a good time to show you guys the Infinity reference. I think this is the 8632 CFX, 6 by 8 high performance coaxial speakers, 60 watts of continuous power handling. The peak power is 180 watts. The frequency response is 49 hertz to 21 kilohertz, and it's 3 ohms. Impedance 93 decibels. Uh, that's the sensitivity. It's a little button on there. You can control the decibels on there and everything. Nice speakers, good sound out of them. Uh, since I have everything off, I thought maybe I should show you guys the Infinity reference speakers. It's your boy King Crown. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to show you guys me soldering it or installing it because I only have two hands, but you get the gist.